Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness is pure Jamaican excellence. The Under 20 Queens didn't just win, they rewrote the definition of dominance. This isn't just a race, this is history in motion. From the first baton to the final stride, Jamaica unleashed power, speed, and pride. Let's relive this legendary 4x400 meter showdown.
St. Kitts and Nevis, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, British Virgin Islands, and Bermuda. Penultimate race of Carifta 50. 4x4 final for under 20 girls. The Bahamians in the lineup.
That's Frederick, the 200 champion.
Quiet for the start, please. Quiet for the start.
There's Tony and Beckford leading off the Jamaica team.
Stand behind your blocks. On your mark.
Final girls event of Carifta 50.
Set.
Off they go. 4x400 for under 20 girls.
Sponsored by Porky's Baby. Out in front. It's Bermuda.
Sol Frederick leading off for Trinidad and Tobago.
Jamaica.
British Virgin Islands go out well in lane number 6. The Trinbagonians are going well. Tony and Beckford trying to get into the picture for the Jamaicans. Bahamas will have some work to do coming into the straightaway, but they start to respond as well. Down the home stretch they come. Bahamas in the mix now, moving beautifully on this opening leg. The Bahamians, Bahamas and Jamaica. Jamaica have put their big gun on the second leg. Jamaica changing just ahead of the Bahamas. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, has the baton for the black, green and gold.
Fine first leg, 54.8 for Beckford.
Down the back stretch they go. Ricky and Russell stretches the advantage. The 200 champion, Sunny and Frederick on this second leg for Trinidad and Tobago. And she sprints into second position. The Bahamians in third. Jamaica well clear once again. Bahamas now back in second position. Frederick starting to struggle. Down the home stretch. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, leading the Jamaicans. Here she comes to make the second change. Jamaica well clear.
51.8 for Russell.
British Virgin Islands now in second position.
Christian Powell looking good on this third leg for Jamaica. Bahamas fight back and regain second place. Real battle for the silver and the bronze.
3:31.47, the Carifta record held by Jamaica. And Casey and Powell with a massive advantage. Down the home stretch. Powell for Jamaica. Battle on for silver, Trinidad and Tobago, British Virgin Islands and Bahamas. But the Bahamians have Valcourt on the anchor leg. That should secure them the silver. The Jamaicans are well clear.
53.4 for Powell. Valcourt.
Well, it's not Valcourt who is on the anchor leg for the Bahamians.
Ran last night. Great lead-off leg. And Jamaica clear in front here.
Abigail Campbell on the anchor leg for Jamaica.
Last year's under 17 400 champion in Kingston gets the glory leg.
And glory it shall be. Campbell turns into the straightaway. Jamaica well clear. Battle really on for the silver medal. Abigail Campbell will lead the Jamaicans to gold in the 4x400. They close the girls' side of Carifta 50 with a fabulous performance. Silver will go to Trinidad and Tobago, and the Bahamians take bronze. British Virgin Islands out of the medals in fourth.
Valcourt ran on the mixed relay last night, and the Bahamian coaches share the glory around for the bronze medal team.
The atmosphere was electric. The crowd on their feet, flags waving high, and every camera locked in on the track. Jamaicans under 20 girls lined up, calm but confident. You could feel it. This wasn't just another relay, it was a statement. From the very first exchange, Jamaica exploded out of the blocks like lightning. The first runner powered through that opening lap, keeping perfect control while building early momentum. Every step was fire, clean baton exchange, smooth stride, perfect rhythm. By the time the baton hit the second leg, the Jamaican queen took off like she had rockets on her spikes. The USA tried to respond. Britain pushed back, but Jamaican was gone. The form, the strength, the composure, all textbook. Third leg. This is where most teams break, but not Jamaica. The crowd roared as the third runner kept the fire alive, maintaining that golden lead. Her focus was unshakable, her stride powerful. It was all heart, all pride, pure island energy. And then came the closer, the anchor leg. The stadium went silent for a moment, and then boom, she took off like a storm. The final 400 meters was domination in its purest form. Every stride screamed determination. Every second reminded the world why Jamaica is the sprint capital of the planet. As she crossed the first line, the crowd erupted. Jamaica had not only won, they destroyed the field. The clock told the story. One of the fastest under-20 relay times in history. It was more than victory. It was a glimpse into Jamaica's future. And the future is fast. Coaches were speechless. Fans were emotional, and the athletes embraced in tears of pride. This wasn't just about medals, it was about representing an entire nation. These young queens carried the weight of legacy, and they delivered like true champions. The world better be ready, because these young Jamaican queens are coming for everything. If this is what they are doing at under 20, just imagine them on the senior stage. Destiny is written in gold, and it's painted in green, black, and gold. Drop your flag in the comments if you're proud of these girls. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More track and field greatness is coming your way.